Don't buy this type of headset. Let me explain. The headset are good, but as a content creator, someone who loves listening to the music, the beat, the note and everything, if you're doing all those stuff, my name is CG, and today's video I'm gonna be explaining why you shouldn't buy this type of headset. You're really like trying to invest in your headset. As you can see, this headset only has one wire. The reason why I say you don't buy this is because this doesn't have a volume, meaning I wish I could show you right now what I meant with a PC, but my PC is currently broken right now. So what I mean is, with it you can't even turn the volume off. You're only using your phone volume, and when you're trying to edit some stuff, doing some edits on your phone, doing some edit on your PC, or doing any other things, you can't switch off because these headsets are already especially for PC. If you're streaming or doing any other, you're turning the volume down on the PC plugged in. When you're looking for headset, I recommend getting headset with a volume adjuster on there, because this doesn't have a volume adjuster. I know it's from Sony. I was wondering why it was cheap, but sooner I found out why this was cheap. The volume on this are too low. There's too much bass on this, so sometimes I'll be thinking, are the headset even full volume? But yeah, make sure you get some headset with volume adjuster next time. I have a video of how to disconnect someone from your Bluetooth speaker on the screen right now. Go check out that video and I'ma see you there.